our last look at Westpac was just in this region right here, so we just about tagged this 61.8% retracement level. We needed to see buyers step up to the plate, and although we did see slightly lower levels tagged, that's certainly what's transpired. So a nice impulsive move to the upside, and that certainly bodes well for the future. So we're still looking at the recent lows as a larger degree wave 2 or B. Obviously we'd prefer it to be the prior, as if we are seeing a larger degree wave 3 unfold, then it offers significant upside potential. That said, if we are seeing a larger counter trend move to the upside, there is still ample room for higher prices from this point forward. Now zooming into the more recent price action, we've seen waves 1 and 2 in position, so this will be the wave 1 down into the 2. Now if we just look at the subdivision going up here, also a 5-wave movement, so waves 1, 2, up to the 3, 4, and then that final probe higher within wave 5, and that likely completes this intermediate degree wave 3. There is slight room for further upside, the reason being that wave 3 up to this point in time hasn't tagged the 1.618 projection of wave 1. So what we do there is we measure wave 1, then project that from the low of wave 2. To constitute an extension, this leg needs to travel 1.618 times this length move, and as you can see that's just fallen short of there. So there is still a possibility that we get one short of resilience, but having said that, we can see the rejection of higher prices on Friday, and that certainly followed through. On the positive side of things, however, volume over the past couple of days very low indeed during this decline, so certainly no serious selling pressure, and that's actually a positive characteristic. So if our wave count is correct, we are looking for more of a sideways consolidation. Remember, the guideline of alternation suggests that the two corrective moves should be completely different in nature, and clearly this was a deep correction. It has probed through this lower boundary of the typical retracement zone by a small margin, so as such we'd expect to see the opposite here. So it could well be that we see some type of a triangular pattern, even a flat, but once that consolidation period has run its course, again looking for higher prices, that would complete the intermediate degree wave 5 and likely an even larger degree wave 1. So certainly plenty of upside potential ahead. The one thing we do not want to see is a penetration down through the high of wave 1. That would invalidate this count and make us reassess. But having said that, look, it doesn't invalidate the bullish interpretation. Even if we do break down through this level, it really would need to push down through this support zone to move to a more bearish stance. But certainly if we do probe beneath that wave 1 high, then actually what we've seen is an ABC correction to the upside. So this will be the wave A, B, and then wave C, and then likely what we're seeing unfold from there is another ABC correction to the downside. So this would be a larger degree wave A, then looking for an ABC correction coming back down again. That would complete wave B, and then offering further upside potential. So whichever way you look at this, there is certainly room for higher prices. It just determines whether we're going to see that impulsive move higher as we'd like to see, or more of a corrective move. So the line in the sand at the present time is the high of wave 1 here. If we can break down through there, then we're going to see a corrective move higher. If we can consolidate in this general region, then break higher, then the impulsive move higher, that larger degree count higher, still remains intact.